Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome to the Gibson Garage Speed Shop. And today I had some misfortune. Go to start the Magnum to move it out the way, and the key doesn't go all the way to start. Like there's something stuck. It won't go all the way to crank. Just it's like almost. It's like there's something keeping it from going. It feels a little weird. Now, I can't be 100% sure, but apparently it's very common, and from what they said, or most cases, it is this piece. I got mine from a premium, same place I got my El Dorado brake calipers for the disc brake conversion on the pickup there. They're all over Amazon and eBay, but I think it was only $9 and it was here the next day. I just ordered this yesterday. It's here today. We're gonna put it in. Oh, bye-bye box. And this is it, I guess. Or at least that's the part I ordered. Don't know if this is the part that's broke. So getting right into it. Phillips here, or I think that could also be an 8mm socket, possibly. One right here by the trunk release. That was easy. There we go. Just a little broken. Now there are 3 holding this top piece on. 1, 2, and 3 all the way to the end. Oh, these puppies are tight. A little bit of rust in here. That was just a bezel. It just pops right out. It actually doesn't attach to this at all. So, yeah, it worked. I guess you could try to pick that out first, but now I've got to detach this headlight switch. Now with an 8mm, there's 2 nuts, top and bottom of the ignition. So it looks like there's a 3rd 8mm nut underneath. And that's why this plate had to come off. So we can see up in here. Let's undo as many of these as we can while we have it held in place. Easy peasy, that was the big one. Alright, with the third nut out, let's see if we can get this out. Oh, there's a lot going on over there. How in the world? Ooh. I'm sure that's fine. That's a tight fit. Alright, got a couple pieces out of there. And the new one's going to slide right back in its place. It still is working. Okay. Just I gotta find the right spot. Then put these 3 screws back in. Now we just got to hook up all the cables and connectors. Alright, so we'll see the end of this is the same shape as the inside of that. So if it doesn't go together, we know we put that in upside down. But it looks good so far. I can already tell that's going to line up with that. We'll just leave that there, back on the first click, and we'll slide this cable in. Now I can put this on. Just clips back over the bottom there. And we can put this screw back in right here. Plug in stuff. Now we feed it back up into the hole. And out the top there. There we go. It takes some wiggling, I won't lie. It's a tight spot. Now we can put the plate back on. And now we can hook the light switch back up. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs on top. Hopefully everything else just lines up. There we go. Now there's the 3 screws. There's 1 here and 2 on the other side. Alright, now we got to hook up the brake cable. Now going straight back. It's clipped in real easy. Oh, there we go. Got to get this behind there. Then the screw will line up there. And there's 1 screw there. Last 2 screws. One over here on the side. 1 underneath. And the trim piece. One more trim piece. And the final test. Hey, we're started. And there it is, replacing the actuator pin in the ignition on an 06 Dodge Magnum. This probably works on any Dodge or Chrysler that is in between like 05 and 2010, maybe even Jeeps. I don't know. I don't know what how far they share stuff between those platforms, but thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. And until next time, please like, please subscribe, and as always, peace.